Have you noticed that sleep gets harder as you get older? You fall asleep later, you wake up too early, and you lie there in bed wondering, what's wrong with me? The truth is, nothing is wrong with you. You're not broken, you're aging, and you're asleep. It's just trying to keep up. But here's the good news, you can get better sleep starting tonight. Stay with me, and I'll walk you through why this is happening and how to fix it with a few life-changing tips. What's going on? As we age, our body starts making less melatonin. That's the sleep hormone that tells your brain, hey, it's bedtime. And that's not all. Older adults also spend less time in deep sleep and less time dreaming. This means your sleep becomes lighter. So small noises, random thoughts, or even a full bladder can wake you up. Can you pick you up? You're not imagining it. You wake up more during the night. You don't feel rested in the morning. And worst of all, you start to believe, maybe this is just how it is now. But it doesn't have to be. Myth busted. You still need sleep. Some people say older adults need less sleep. That's not true. You still need 7 to 8 hours a night, but your body just has a harder time getting that full stretch of rest. The real issue isn't how much sleep you need, it's how your sleep rhythm has changed. So let's fix the rhythm. Solution number 1. Build a sleep schedule and stick to it. The first powerful fix is going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Yes, even on weekends. This helps your brain build a rhythm again. It's like training a dog. Your brain learns when it's time to rest. If you fix this, you might already see 30% better sleep in just a week. Solution number 2. Move your body lightly. Exercise isn't just for your heart. It also helps you fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. You don't need a gym. A 15-minute walk, light stretching, or gentle dancing after dinner is enough. Don't exercise right before bed though. That can keep you wired. Do it earlier in the evening so your body winds down in time. Solution number 3. The 20-minute rule. Life-changing trick. Here is a simple rule that can change your nights. If you can't fall asleep after 20 minutes, get out of bed, go to another room, do something quiet and calming. Read a book with a dim light. Listen to soft music. Take a few deep breaths. Only go back to bed when you feel truly sleepy again. Why does this work? Because it trains your brain to think, this bed equals sleep. Lying in bed awake causes stress. That stress makes it even harder to fall asleep. The 20-minute rule breaks that cycle. Warning: watch out for these mistakes. Here's what to avoid if you want better sleep. Number 1. Irregular meal times. You have to maintain your mealtime on a tight schedule. Avoid eating anything for 4 hours before going to bed. Number 2. No screens before bed. No scrolling, no notifications. Phones, TVs, and tablets shine blue light into your eyes. That tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Number 3. No alcohol close to bedtime. Even one drink can mess up your deep sleep. You may fall asleep fast, but you'll wake up feeling drained. Number 4. No tight-fitting clothes at bedtime. Loose clothing makes you feel comfortable and helps you sleep. Final thought: don't fear sleep, build it. There's a reason your sleep changed. Your brain and body are changing with age. That's normal. But you can still enjoy deep, peaceful rest if you give your body the right tools. Stick to a schedule. Move a little each day. Cut screens and drinks at night. And use the 20-minute rule when your brain won't shut off. Every small change you make adds up. And soon, sleep won't be a struggle. It will be a habit, a rhythm, a comfort. So try these tonight. Come back to tell me what worked best for you. And if this helped, tap that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with someone who's always tired but doesn't know why. Sweet dreams. You've earned them.